Hey guys, today we're going to talk about this new collaboration with Gemini and Canva. So both of them are amazing tools. I've been using Canva for years now, but unfortunately for Canva, the new AI era was like really they hit them hard because people are no longer using Canva for designs. Now you just with a prompt, with a simple prompt, you can get the best designs possible. Also, tools like ChatGPT Image 2, which I guess is far better than Gemini Nano Banana 2, I guess, in my opinion, because I use it for example, graphic design and for social media posts, and I think it's doing better than Gemini. I guess Canva starting to move into this, adapting. So what they did is this an amazing trick, which you can generate images in Nano Banana or in Gemini, and then you can make them editable using Canva feature. So if you don't like something, you can just right away edit it and change place or change the font. You can change whatever you want, which is a great feature, by the way. So in this video I am going to show you how exactly to do this. We're going to go and set up we're going to link them together, and I'm going to show you how you use the features, how you use the prompt to do exactly that. But first, let's just take a look at this blog from Canva so we can understand it better. Oh, to understand better what I'm talking about, as you can see here in this short video, you can see that now you basically generate images inside of any AI. I guess they're using ChatGPT. So now you go to the prompt and basically call Canva and say make it editable, and now you get a link, okay, as you can see here, to Canva. And when you go to Canva, you're gonna find your design easily editable. You can change fonts, you can do whatever you want, as you can see in the video. And now you can basically you can even remove the logo or the watermark from Gemini, which is great. And since Gemini now have access to your Canva account, that means it understands what the context. You basically have access to your content inside of Canva, so you can call it later on in the chat. You can, as you can see, you can browse, you can search through Gemini. So basically they basically brought Canva inside Gemini, so your content is inside Gemini too. So Gemini can understand your content and can browse and search your content, and it can understand context of whatever you ask about something. I will go to your content and understand what you're talking about. You can edit existing content. So if you have content on Canva, now you can use Gemini to edit it, to basically do something with it. It will basically understand your brand, the feel of your brand, as they are mentioning here. So your designs can be consistent, and just it reflects your identity, the identity of your brand. So if you want certain colors, now Gemini can understand that. I guess it fixed the problem, because I used to generate designs on, for example, Gemini, but that is something like a text, a word that I cannot modify. And if I told the AI to modify it, or Gemini or ChatGPT, well, basically it will screw things up. Basically it will I just told him to change this word, but now he changed everything, and sometimes the quality gets worst. I don't know if you guys noticed that. So if you generate something like a face, and then when you try to edit it using the prompt, the quality gets blurry, and the quality gets lower and lower. I wish this tool was existing before, because now I can, using this magic layout something from Canva, you can just make it into an editable file or an editable image or design, and now you can go directly and basically edit and modify that particular thing that you're trying to modify. And this feature is not only for Gemini. Canva already did this. They have this option added to their AI tool, basically Armada, as you can see here in the Magic Studio. Now they have this magic layers, which would turn any image into just an editable, like if it's static. So now we jump from just taking hours to make a design to just making it in seconds using AI. Now we're moving to make it a fully editable layer model, like you're in Photoshop. You can edit detail by detail, which is great. So this feature magic layers is only available in United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. So it's not available globally yet. So it's not only with Gemini. They already have this feature with ChatGPT, with Claude, with Microsoft Copilot, and now they added Gemini. Okay, you can do the same thing. You just mention Canva and then ask him to do whatever you want. So yeah, this introduction was just to give you some context, and now let's get to work. So the easiest way to do it is to go to settings, and then again do personal intelligence, right? And then go to connected apps, okay? And then you scroll down, and then you see Canva, okay? And then you activate it like this, and you click allow. Now you get this window here to link your account to Canva. Click continue, and then click agree and continue again, and you get this window from Canva. So now you click sign in, and as you can see, you have access to basically to all of this. You can read, you can create, you can upload, modify. Yeah, so give it access, click allow, and the authorization has succeeded. Now let's go back to Gemini and click activated. So to test it out, again click continue, click agree and continue, again click allow, and it's done. Okay, now you have Canva inside of Gemini. Let's go test it out. Now let's put it to the test. So I'm going to open a new chat. I'm going to type something like, so this is just a prompt. I just figured it out. We're basically going to use 3.1 Pro because it's Pro. Okay, let's choose the feature of create image. Okay, and then click generate. Oh, so this is the design. It has so much details. Okay, it's beautiful, but it has so much details. That's okay, we're just testing it out. So now what we're gonna do is gonna mention Canva like this, and click make this design editable. Okay. So yeah, the image have been converted into an editable design. So it gives you a preview here, and now you can click the file to basically go to Canva to edit it. Oh, it even translated it into English, which is weird. Basically, I didn't tell him to do that. So Canva, if you're watching this, you need to do something about it. So we can even remove the watermark, just like that. Okay. I guess the overall design is good, but I guess it changed the font. Maybe no, it's the same. As you can see, if you see, this is a beautiful layout. You can see the match date is behind the preview in a beautiful way. But in Canva, it should be like this. The logos also are corrupted. The player faces are basically, it's accurate. You know, I can recognize these players, right? But I also love how they just took these elements and now you can fully edit them. I love the Dortmund style, like this elements, like this ball. I love these kind of elements. This one, I like this designs too. I like these elements, modern elements that Dortmund team you're using. I guess it is a problem because the model don't understand if something is a text or it's basically a design, that it should not turn it into a text. That's like the major problem. As you can see in the logo, it is part of, so I guess he turned it, I don't know what is it, as you can see here, it turned it into a text BVB. Okay, and so also he left the logo as it is, but also added text in case. And it's completely free. You don't even need a pro Canva subscription to get this magic layer tool. As you can see, other features are paid, but the magic layer is not. Okay, also with the upscaling feature, and so it's good. You can just use it inside of Canva. You can basically go generate Gemini image and then download it and upload it to Canva, and you can use the magic layers. It's just easier to use it with Gemini, I guess, or to edit it. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this today's video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.